हेलो एवरीवन, व्हाट इज़ इकोनॉमिक्स। अगर मैं आपको अपनी भाषा में बताऊं तो इकोनॉमिक्स वो स्टडी है जो हमें लिमिटेड रिसोर्सेज का बेस्ट यूज़ सिखाती है अपनी अनलिमिटेड वांट्स को सेटिस्फाई करने के लिए। हमारी हर रोज़ अलग अलग डिज़ायर्स होती हैं, अलग अलग वांट्स होती हैं। हम कभी कुछ ख़रीदना चाहते हैं, कभी कुछ और ख़रीदना चाहते हैं, पर क्या हम जो हमारे मन में आ जाए उसी को ख़रीद लेते हैं क्या? नहीं। हम अपनी वांट्स को अपनी इनकम के हिसाब से यानी कि अपने रिसोर्सेज के हिसाब से फुलफ़िल करते हैं। अगर हम इकोनॉमिक्स की कोई डेफिनेशन देखें तो एक डेफिनेशन है, इकोनॉमिक्स इज़ द स्टडी ऑफ स्कार्स रिसोर्सेज दैट हैव ऑल्टरनेटिव यूजेस। बेसिकली look at these three things. People have desires and they need resources to satisfy those desires. These desires are unlimited, but the resources are limited. So we need to make choices about how to use these scarce resources. And this is what economics teaches us. Economics is the study of how society manages its scarce resources. Let's look at the derivation of the word economics. The word economics has been derived from a Greek word oikonomos, which means household management. You might be thinking, where did household come here? Well, household and economy has much in common. A household has to face many decisions. Household has to make decisions like who does which task and what do they get in return. We need to decide in our house that who will wash the clothes, who will cook the dinner, and many other tasks in the house. Similarly, we need to give rewards to the people. We need to give rewards to our family members. That is, who get to eat what. With the limited family income, we need to satisfy the wants of all the people in the houses. So we need to manage the resources, the limited income of our household in the most efficient way. And as we face these decisions in household, we face similar decisions in the society too. For example, we need to decide what jobs are to be done in the society and who does them. Some people need to grow crops, some needs to make computer software, some need to make the clothes. Like this, we have to decide what jobs are to be done and who need to do them. After allocation of resources to various jobs, the output also has to be allocated. We need to give rewards to people. We need to decide who gets to eat what for the dinner. Management of resources is important because resources are scarce. The resources are scarce, the wants are unlimited, the resources are limited if we compare them to the demand. We cannot satisfy the needs of all the people in a country in an economy like we cannot satisfy the wants of all the people in the household. So, I hope I have explained what economics is. Thank you and have a nice day.